BYD has just released a new car that can drive up to 2,100 kilometers with just one full refueling. BYD recently announced two new plug-in hybrid models, the BYD Chine LDMI and BYD Seal 06DMI, powered by a 1.5-liter 99 horsepower and 126 Nm of torque. It is powered by an electric motor with 161 horsepower and 210 Nm of torque, or 215 horsepower and 260 Nm of torque, and a 10.08 kWh or 15.78 kWh battery pack. The new engine has the ability to reduce heat by as much as 46.06%. which BYD claims is the highest level of internal combustion engine on the market today. Not only that, the Blade battery pack has been upgraded to have a better power density of 15.5%, and it has also upgraded the charging speed. With all these updates, the new BYD plug-in hybrid is even more economical, with an average fuel economy of 2.9 liters 100 kilometers and a range of 2,100 kilometers without a hitch. Do not refuel or recharge.